This is the entrance, and this will be the kitchen. It leads to dining room. And left is the living room. And this leads to the basement. To the left, there will be a sunroom. And this will be the bathroom, a tiny bathroom. And to here, it will be a garage. And there's a tiny office here. And then it goes to the basement, another basement. You can store a lot of stuff here. And this will be kind of like a storage. And to second floor. To the right, there will be first bedroom. And this will be the second bedroom. This will be the third bedroom. The third bedroom has a closet. And its own bathroom. And before you go to third floor, there will be a bathroom, another bathroom. And this will be the third floor and the master room. And this is a closet and a tiny office. And this is a bathroom. And from the master bedroom, you can see the living room.